Hello crafters, today I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing this little embroidery pen experiment. I don't have high hopes for it, but I thought this would be a cute little idea to kind of finish off the embroidery pen series on my channel. If you don't know, I've done so many embroidery pen videos on my channel. It's probably why you joined my channel, like you subscribed to my channel. I got so many new subscribers when I did them, but recently the videos haven't been that much viewed, so I thought maybe you don't want them anymore. So I thought this would be a nice way to kind of finish it off, and if you do want them, please share this video so it can be watched and liked by people all across the world, and tell me down below that you want me to do more of these embroidery pen videos, because I definitely do enjoy doing them, but I don't know, they're just not that well received anymore. So the thing I'm going to be doing today is this little thing I saw in the embroidery pen ads. So this is an Instagram ad, and it's actually what got me into embroidery pen. So I'm just going to roll the ad now. I think actually, yeah, I think I passed it already. So you can see just the ad, and this is actually what prompted me to buy it. And if you could see there, those little roses, anyway, it's coming up better right after this clip. You can see these roses. I thought, if I can do that with embroidery pen, like, I'm definitely buying it. So I bought it, and I'm very glad I did, I have to say. These are them in better detail. And if you can see, I don't know, my phone's like really small, it's the way these are actually done is with the back side of the embroidery pen. It's actually, yeah, so the back side actually creates little loops. You can see here, it creates little loops, and the front side does this. Actually, go watch this tutorial up here after this one. This is probably it in better detail. It creates lots of different loops, and the front is like the stitches, and you can actually adjust the length of those loops. You can see this is a little bit higher than this, and this is lower, and this is lower, and this is higher, things like that. And the way you actually do that is with the little dial up here. You can move it up and down. It makes the needle longer or smaller according to what you want. So the way this actually works is, I think to make a petal, they start with a very small loop, and then it goes higher and higher and higher, and then lower and lower and lower. So I'm not sure I really want to mess with my dials too much, just because, like, I don't be stopping mid-stitch, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to leave it at a pretty long length. It's like 10. So I'm actually going to be working, like, the actual what I want is going to be at the front, so I'm going to actually have to work at the back. So I'm just going to start. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, not that it'll do much or anything, but you know, we can hope. I'm going to start. I'm going to make a little loop. This is a little loop, I feel like. I'm creating a little loop, coming up, moving over by an inch, making a slightly larger loop, a slightly larger loop again, moving over again, up again, coming up again. It's hard to really regulate your stitches, like have them gradient, and then again. Oh, sorry, okay, that was totally out of focus. And now I'm actually going to make put this up to 12 again. Yeah, it's not looking like much, is it? Now I'm going to get a bit smaller. And a little bit smaller again. Smaller again. And again. And the last little one, if I can do it. Okay. So that's my little petal. So that's my little petal, and as you can see, it goes up and then it goes down. I don't know what to do. Wait, okay, I just have to get my thread. Okay. So that's my little petal. It goes up and goes down. not the best bevel. I could have probably curved it a little bit. But I guess if it's curved, it'd probably look a bit better. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed this up to an insane level. And I'm just going to try and make a flower out of this. I don't have high hopes, as you can see. But we're going to try and make a flower. So hopefully I'll be back with a nice flower. Okay, I'll see you. So I actually was filming, but then my camera battery kind of died. So I'm back with a fully charged battery, thank God. So as you can see, this is a little line I made, and I did some little, I tried to make a big rose out of it, like the ones in the picture, but it didn't really work out like at all. So in the end, I came up with this little flower pattern, and I think it is just adorable. So as you can see, it's a circle of stitches, and I actually kind of did it a bit randomly, but I'm actually going to show you how I did it now. So I have I've like this thread in my I don't know what I forgot. Anyway, I am ready to start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start actually on the back again. I'm going to start with my little dial up to 12, and I'm going to go around in a circle, and I'm going to end not at 12, like maybe like halfway there or something, just so it kind of is a little taller in the middle, and then it kind of radiates a bit down, a bit like a flower. So I'm going to start there, and I'm just going to try, and as you can see, this is it. I'm going to try and make a little flower again, and hopefully it works, because otherwise it's going to be really embarrassing. I'll do it until I get there. So I'm just trying to go around in a circle, in a spiral shape, around my first stitch. As you can see, that's how it's turning out. So this is how it's turning out. Not as nicely as the first one. But look. So I'm just going in a little spiral shape. I'm just going to continue doing that. I hope it's in focus. So yeah, I'm starting to get a little big. Okay, so this is what it is. A bit messy, but look, at this stage, I think we'll take anything. And now I'm going to put down my dial a little bit. Probably, that's not a little bit, but look, it happened. So I'm going to do maybe like one whole circle around that circle, just with the slightly smaller stitches. Oh no, okay. So there you have it. This is very messy, I have to say, I'm sorry. But this is what is possible, I guess. Yeah, this one's just a bit messy. I think it's a bit on pressure. It's the camera, the pressure being on camera. So I'm just going to kind of take that like that. And there you can see. So that's how you, I guess, do a little flower. It's nothing, like literally nothing compared to what is in the ad. But look, I mean, I'm glad I managed to do this. So thanks so much for watching this video. It's a bit disjointed and random, but I mean, aren't all my videos. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Tell me down below if you want more embroidery pen or no, and if you don't, that's totally fine with me. Just tell me down below and tell me what you would like to see on my channel next. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.